Tonight, a U of M student detained by ICE remains jailed. He had his first court appearance today in federal immigration court. Dokon Ganaiden was arrested outside of his St. Paul apartment last month for a DWI in 2023. At today's hearing, his lawyers argued that prosecutors are using a charge usually reserved for terrorists to try to deport him. But ultimately, the judge delayed a decision on bond until Friday. The 28-year-old will have a chance to testify on Friday. Well, this is one of several cases involving international students in Minnesota that are now facing deportation.
And tonight we are digging deeper into what rights international students have and don't have. Fox 9's Soyoung Kim joins us in the newsroom. Soyoung, we're learning multiple St. Cloud State students had their status records terminated.
Randy Kelsey, that's right, but the reasons for the terminations are not exactly clear at this time. Here's what we do know. A St. Cloud State University spokesperson tells me at least 2 international students recently had their records terminated by the federal government from the SEVIS database, which is the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. It's the system that provides proof of legal status and good standing. The university says it was not made aware of the terminations ahead of time. We spoke with a legal expert based in the St. Cloud area who says that process was unusual. He says typically if an international student fails to meet requirements to maintain status, the school would be involved in initiating any actions necessary.
It seems the process has been reversed, where it's the State Department that decided who is fit to enter. And I understand that's their right as the issuer of the visa, but also who to kick out, and the reasons are not obvious to us who observe that process.
When recently asked about student visa incidents on college campuses across the country, Secretary of State Marco Rubio says the administration has been consistent on its reasons behind immigration policy.
The overwhelming majority of student visas in this country will not be revoked. The overwhelming majority of people that are coming to this country to study are not involved and associated or aligned with organizations that seek to do damage in this country.
And according to the Department of Homeland Security, once a SEVIS record is terminated, ICE agents could get involved. The university says it's unable to share student details at this time, but says it is working with those impacted. Live in the newsroom tonight, Soyoung Kim, Fox 9.